Hey everyone, I decided I was going to harvest some potatoes, and I had promised that next time I did I would show or bring you guys along. So this set of potatoes right here, it actually has flowered for a bit, but the deer came by and ate the flowers off of it. So it doesn't look as bad as you normally would wait for potatoes, but it is browning, it is drooping. Like there's one laying over. So I think it's time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this grow bag I have of potatoes. I'm going to bring it over to another section of the garden bed, and I'm just going to show you how I harvest my potatoes. Alright, so I picked a spot in my garden that was empty. I just harvested all the cabbages that I still had growing. And then what I do is, since I'm going to empty the grow bag, I just go ahead and leave the soil here. And this bed is also sort of empty from losing the cabbages. So this is my grow bag, and it does have this flap, which it says it's meant for potatoes, that you just kind of like lift it and harvest. But I've tried that a couple times. It's never worked for me. So I just literally take the bag, bang on it a little bit, get it nice and loose, and I empty the whole thing. Oh, and look at this. Then you just start digging through the dirt, which I then put back in the grow bag, and finding your treasures. Man, look at that one. That's gonna be a great one. These are russet potatoes, and I have 3 seed potatoes in this bag. Generally, I like to do more seed potatoes, and I also keep little ones like this to restart seed potatoes. But I do more in a bag because I like to get smaller potatoes. Look. So this was 3 seed potatoes in one 10-gallon grow bag. Oh, there's another one. Oh my goodness, this one did really well. Actually pleasantly shocked by that. These were so slow to get started that I just thought they might not have worked, but looks like they worked just fine. Now this is the original seed potato, and it actually looks like it's still in pretty good condition. So I might actually replant that, because I tried that with a different variety, and it actually started regrowing, so I might do that. Alright, so that's that half. Oh, there's another one. There's another original seed potato. Oh, there's a little one that can sprout. I actually don't feel the original here, so I'm gonna pitch that. Oh, there it was. It turned to mush. I think that's, yeah, it's just dirt. Alright. Now, I'm actually gonna just replant the potatoes in this bed because I don't have anything growing in this spot right now anyway. Oh, sorry, I just felt like a stick and I didn't know what it was, and I think it's an old branch. Alright, so I'm just gonna shove this back in here. Ooh. Do one on this side. Alright, so from those 3 seed potatoes, let me just grab the camera. This is how many potatoes I got. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 seed potatoes, or sorry, 8 russet potatoes, and 2 baby seed potatoes that I can resprout out of 3 starter potatoes. And that's why I really like growing potatoes. Thanks for watching.